Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Mailchimp with Canva. We'll explore how these two powerful tools can work together seamlessly to elevate your email marketing efforts. You can design eye-catching graphics in Canva and then easily incorporate them into your Mailchimp campaigns, saving you valuable time and effort. This integration helps create professional-looking emails that truly stand out in any inbox, boosting your audience engagement significantly. When designing in Canva for Mailchimp, start by selecting a template that fits your campaign's purpose. Canva offers a vast library of options, from simple banners to complex layouts. Remember to keep your designs visually appealing and on-brand. Focus on clear messaging and strong calls to action. Once your design is perfect, export it as a high-quality image file, like a JPEG or PNG, ready for your email. Now, let's bring your beautiful Canva designs into Mailchimp. First, upload your exported images to Mailchimp's Content Studio. This acts as your central library for all campaign assets. Then, when building your email, simply drag and drop these images into your chosen template. You can easily resize and adjust their placement within the Mailchimp editor to ensure they look perfect on any device. Don't forget to add descriptive alt text for better accessibility. To maximize the impact of your Mailchimp and Canva integration, always maintain consistent branding. Use your brand's colors, fonts, and logos in every design. Optimize image file sizes to ensure your emails load quickly, as slow loading can deter recipients. Always preview and test your campaigns on different devices before sending to catch any layout issues. Finally, ensure your visually engaging emails include clear and compelling calls to action.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.